Welcome to Caching Waves. This is an Elliott Wave update for XRP. Now, this is a congratulations for all the XRP holders that have been holding for so long. Your collecting has been worth it. We finally got the move we were expecting. And for all the Elliott Wave traders who have been following along as well, congratulations. We have been tracking this pattern for a very long time, and we had this as a multi-year contracting triangle. Series of 5 waves in 3-wave patterns. Once we complete the triangle E, we expect a thrust, and we're expecting new all-time highs. There's a lot of naysayers. Elliott Wave gets a lot of hate. I was told this is a dead coin so many times, and then boom, 150% in a couple days, right? Patterns don't work. Boom. Okay. Fair enough. Called this one. This was from July when the E wave was in. We were expecting that move to the upside. Similar sort of comments. It's just a dead coin. But anyways, maybe that helps some people. I don't know. I just like to give evidence sometimes just to prove to you that when you have the count correct, it reacts the way you expect. And no surprise. And look, we got our third wave, the one with the most volume we expect, the fastest move. There's a lot to this, guys. Okay, so we'll get into the smaller term time frames here. But since our low, have this as a wave 1 and 2. We were tracking this the whole way. Oh, by the way, in Elliott Wave, the best way to trade this is to get as close to that C wave as you can for an entry, for invalidation, and you're going for all-time highs. So that would have been your trade if you're tracking the triangle. Just had to wait a couple months, right? Wait through it. But anyways, have this as a wave 1 and 2, working on our third wave, not quite complete, and then a fourth sideways and a fifth to the upside. Now, I have gotten some questions in my Discord. Is that it for the move? It's unclear. The thing is, if we go parabolic like we have in previous years, this can all keep getting extended. We're already hitting pretty wild extensions. So my plan for this alt season, I'm in a lot of trades right now, is to just raise stops because of the option of parabolic, especially in XRP. Other ones not, but for XRP, my plan is just to raise my stops. I'm not going to try and play the exact pivots because I have a couple different alternative counts as well. Now this is kind of the slowest I would expect the bull market to move here. This is where we just get a 5-wave move, and that becomes, and we don't make all-time highs here, and that just becomes a larger 1 and 2 within a large 5th wave. But this would really eat up some time, so I hope we just go parabolic, but I don't know what's going to happen. I'm just tracking the waves every day and making adjustments from there. So this is kind of the most realistic count, if you will, if you're just looking for a 5-wave move to the upside. My alternative is we have a 1-2-1-2. This area wasn't the easiest to count. There is a 5-wave move here, although not ideal for guidelines. This is where we get much more extensions. We would make all-time highs, and it's an extra 3-4 in our wave count, if you look at the difference. Just comes down to whether or not this is a nested 1-2s or just a 1-2 with a running flat. So we'll see. And also this can get running. If we make a 3 and a 4, how we go parabolic is if we get a 1 and a 2 within a 5th and we just keep moving. So no ideal targets yet, but in case of those moves, my plan is just to move my stops up. I'm in pretty decent profit right now. Okay, so we'll talk about the smaller time frames here. So that was our C-wave bottom, and we really took off here. Ended up catching this long within the group, which was nice. Had this since the low as a wave 1 and 2, 3, triangle 4, 5. Very shy wave 2. Adjusted this count a couple times. First had it as a running flat, but it makes the most sense now as a low in wave 2 here rather than over here. These are adjustments you have to make in real time. Everything fit nicely for the low end count here. Triangle fourth waves, ideal. And we are hitting our extension targets here for our third wave in blue, which makes this count my bias currently. Now we're in a wave 4, most likely not complete yet. We have a 3-wave move down, 3-wave move up. So most likely we either get a flat or a triangle. We're in a wave 4, so this can take up a little bit of time. But ideally we hold between log and linear the furthest away. Ideally we hold above this 50 at 90.15 cents. That's taken from the beginning of wave 3 to the end of wave 3. That's using our guidelines. Invalidation of this count is at this wave 1 high, which is all the way down at 7.398 cents. So I'm just raising my stops. I'm not taking profit here or anything, and looking for a third wave to top in white somewhere around the 148 to 164 region. The length of wave 1 taken off of wave 4, this extreme right now. This target can change because I'm just taking it off the extreme. We're not necessarily done wave 4 yet. That'd be at 152.6, right in the middle of that zone. So after that, looking for a larger wave 4 and then our fifth to the upside. But looks good, guys. Still expecting more upside. This count would have to be adjusted if we drop below this 50%, but nothing to worry about as of yet. So that's what we're looking at. I cover this every day in the Discord, guys. If you're interested, it's the first link in this description, cachingwaves.com. I cover this as well as 15 to 20 others every single day. There's a market update video in the mornings, and then I update the charts, give my exact trade setups, where I'm moving my stops, etc. Also within that Discord, there's a Blowfin exclusive if you're a leverage trader, where you get the top left of that link, that Blowfin exclusive link, you get a $300 deposit bonus, futures trading, as well as 20% rebate on your trading fees for life. So if you enter a trade, you get 20% of the fees back same day. If you're not interested in the Discord, there's also a YouTube link for Blowfin, where you get the $300 deposit bonus, as well as 5% rebate for life. All you need is an email to sign up, which is good. So if you want to join the Discord, feel free. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.